Hi friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about undefined collection in Blue Prism. I will also walk you through a practical example to show you how to create undefined collection in process. So let's get started. In previous video, we talked about collection and defined collection. I will recommend to watch that video first. Now, let's understand what is undefined collection and how to create an undefined collection. A collection is a data structure that allows you to store multiple rows and columns of data, similar to a table in a database or a spreadsheet. Now, what is undefined collection in Blue Prism? An undefined collection is a type of collection that doesn't have predefined fields or a structure. Undefined collections are flexible and can be used when the structure of the data is not known in advance or can change dynamically. Let's see an example of how to use undefined collection. If you don't have a predefined fields initialize here or the predefined structure, then this is called undefined. So here you can see currently we are not going to initialize any columns, we are not going to add any fields here, and we'll be directly like reading the data from this Excel and will write into the collection, and this can change dynamically. This field, the structure can be changed dynamically. So if you'll see currently we have this Excel file. If we are going to read this, then we have 6 columns and these much of data will be added to the collection. Now if we are going to use that for this Excel file, this employee master, then more than 5, so automatically that will be changed based on this data. But if you are using defined, so you'll have to like predefine those columns, like we'll be always writing the data into only this 4 to 5 or like 10 columns. But here in the undefined, it is basically not defined. So let me show you how to use this undefined collection. So we'll be taking one collection stage, double click on that, put the name here, it can be like order data, and here we will mention especially undefined collection. It will help you to understand. Now here we are not going to pass any field, we will just click OK. Now what we are going to do, we are going to read this order sample file, this one, and write to this collection. So for that we will take here one action stage, double click on that. From here we'll be using MS Excel VBO to work with the Excel file. We'll be using this standard VBO. So first we'll create one instance, we'll create instance of Excel. So we'll take here create instance, click on this, so it will create one instance and it will give us a handle. Click OK, take it here, take one more action stage, and then again we will choose MS Excel VBO, and now we'll take open workbook, and now here we need to pass that handle, pass it here, and then we need to put the file name. So file name we are going to take it from here, so right click, shift and right click, copy as a path, we will paste here, do it like this. In the output we will get the workbook name, store this in the workbook name, take this here. Now take one more, take another action stage, and this we are going to take here again MS Excel VBO, and then it will be get worksheet as a collection. Here we need to pass that handle, the workbook name, and then worksheet name. So worksheet name you can take it from here, that is order underscore sample. So we'll pass here. In the output we'll be getting the collection, and that will be basically undefined collection. So let's store here. Click OK. Now after that, you can take one more action to close that workbook after writing to here. We'll take another action stage. Again, we'll be taking the MS Excel view and we'll take here close workbook. We'll pass here that handle. Workbook name will pass here. Okay, and then here we'll just leave as it is because by default is false, and if you want to save that, so you need to put it true. But currently we are not going to save it because currently we are just reading that Excel file, we are not modifying that Excel, right? Now click OK, right? So there are there are four actions that we are using. First, to create instance. Second, open the workbook. Third, get worksheet as a collection, and fourth, close the workbook. Now let's link each action here and then reset and refresh. Now right click, set next stage. Now click step over. Okay, you can see the handle number 1, and then we have this workbook name. The workbook name basically is the order sample.csv. This is the workbook name. We are going to read it from CSV file. Now next, now you will see here, after processing this action, we have 1 of 10 row. If you open this one, now there's nothing defined, there's nothing initialized in the field, but if you'll go to the current value, you can see all these columns added and all these rows, the data added to this one. So this is called undefined collections. Now, so after that, we'll have close workbook, so it will close that specific handle, that workbook. So this is called undefined collection, where you have on runtime it creates that structure, it adds all these columns and then add these rows, the data to this collection. But in the defined collection, you will always see the defined field here, right? Now once we'll reset this, now this collection will be empty because there is nothing predefined here. So this is called undefined collection. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you understand the concept of undefined collection in Blue Prism and how to use this one. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to leave them in comments below. Until next time, happy learning.